Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel in 2024. So, I hope all my watchers, all you people that are watching this, you still have your old 10 fingers. So, because the holiday just has been Christmas, New Year's Eve, and so on, I wanted to taste something a bit lighter. Lighter in the way of not filling your stomach that much. So I went searching and I did find popcorn. Different flavors of popcorn. Sorry for this crackling sound. Different flavors. So I have popcorn licorice. Why would you make that? I don't know. Popcorn jalapeno. And cheese and onion. That one's just licorice. Sweet chili. Sweet and salty. So. And caramel and salty. I think that is sweet and salty. But I am going to start with licorice. I'm not sure why would you create popcorn with the smell is not so good. They look like regular popcorn. So let's have some. No. It's not. It's not. Oh, it is. The aftertaste is like really licorice. I was wanting to say that, okay, the beginning, the licorice flavor is bad. Maybe because you don't expect this texture, like the popcorn texture with licorice. Then the licorice dies out, then you get the popcorn flavor, then it's a bit salty, then it's, okay, this is fine. But then the licorice comes back, so, no, this is a 3 for me. Just a 3. I would not recommend it to anyone. So let's hope the next one is better. This is jalapeno, cheese and onion. It smells like melted cheese on a burger, but maybe that's with jalapeno combined. So yeah, let's try a few again. You get the jalapeno flavor that's there without being really hot, and you can taste the cheese and onion, which I usually like. This one's way better, way better. I think I actually like this one to eat. Like, I'm going to close this one because I want to eat it later. Jalapeno, cheese and onion gets an 8 out of 10 for me. Great flavor. Still the popcorn texture, which is okay with this flavor. So yeah, an 8 out of 10. So it's a good flavor of popcorn. Next we have sweet and chili. Not a real smell to it. So that's not so much. Not so much. So this one's fine. Nothing special. They're just a bit more spicy popcorn. It's okay. It's a 6. It's a decent one. It's a decent one. So it's not bad and not particularly good. But okay, it doesn't matter. It's a 6. Sweet and salty. In the cinemas, we usually have the really sugary popcorn or the really salty. This also smells like nothing. It's basically the same color. Just a few to try. It's not sweet and it's not salty. It's kind of tasteless. It gave a 4. 4. So last but not least, we have the caramel and salty. So I hope this one's a bit sweeter. Oh, you smell the caramel, and you can see it as well. So, gonna grab a few. Normally, caramel is a flavor that I really like, so I hope this one's good. It's like a bit burnt salted caramel. So it's okay. I think that one is a 6 out of 10 as well. So this was the worst, a 3. Sweet and salty gets a 4 because it's really bland. Caramel and salty gets a 6. Sweet and chili gets a 6. And the winner of today with the most flavor is jalapeno cheese and onion. I do like this one, and I think this would be the only one I really recommend to people to buy and eat, just because it's a way different flavor from the rest. So, jalapeno, cheese and onion. So, that was the tasting. I hope you liked the tasting. I hope you enjoyed watching me again in this new year. I hope you will stay watching my videos this year. There is a lot coming. A lot of plans in my head. As I said, I want to do different things. Tasting Tuesday stays for now, as is FIFA Friday, and something Sunday stays as well, but maybe a bit different content than just sitting in my room. So yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.